Hey guys, so this is Simply Unique One back again with a video hair review. Today I have this model Freedom Part wig, and this is color number 2. It's the Freedom Part number 101. So let's get started. So this is how the wig looks outside of the package. Feels pretty nice. This is the parting here. And it comes with 3 clips, 3 combs, 2 on the front here and 1 in the back, and then it comes also with the little tightening band, which is pretty cool. It's not too much. So what I'm going to do is definitely pluck some of the hairs here in the part. And then I'll also link below where I got it in the color, everything in the description box. So I washed my hair yesterday, so it's still a little damp. Just put it in a little ponytail. And I'm not gonna braid my hair down, mostly because I don't feel like it. Okay, so here is the finished product. I went and did my brows, put a little Vaseline on, that was it. But I plucked the middle here, and it looks a lot better. The netting, it's a little hard, but hey, it's a synthetic wig and it was cheap. So, but I'm really loving it. I'm feeling it. Not too much tangle. It was very little, but once you comb it out, you're good. I like the texture. It feels great. I don't know how good you guys can see this, but it is awesome. I like it tucked back also. Show my little baby hairs. I think it's cute. But this is how it is when it's not tucked, for those who just like to wear it out. After plucking the middle, it was about, don't be afraid to pluck. Don't pluck a hole into it, but don't be afraid to pluck. This is okay. When it's super thick, you don't want that. You want it to look a little more natural. So that's how much came out after I did all of my plucking. Like I said, I think I like wearing it behind my ears. I feel like it looks a little more natural. Blends in nicely with my little hairs here. Still debating if I'm going to keep the middle part or if I'm going to wear it on the side, but I'm actually feeling this. I really like this wig. Cheap, synthetic, but it's like in between. It's not super silky like those type synthetic wigs, but then, and it's not super shiny either. It looks very natural. Actually, very much like my own hair texture, but I'm trying to stay away from the flat iron, so I think this is a great alternative. And I'm about to be wearing the heck out of this. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, please let me know. And then until my next video, this is Simply Unique One. Thank you.